Hello, my name is Kevin Ewan, and I would like to give you a brief overview of our review article entitled Developments in the Management of Growth Hormone Deficiency, Clinical Utility of Somapacitan. Growth hormone deficiency in children has been treated with daily growth hormone injections for over 35 years. However, administering daily growth hormone injections can be difficult to adhere to, and as a result, a long-acting growth hormone treatment was developed requiring a much less frequent injection schedule. Somapacitan, or Sogroya, is a long-acting growth hormone approved for the treatment of adult and childhood-onset growth hormone deficiency in several countries. The aim of our article was to summarize the efficacy and safety of somapacitan in the treatment of adult and childhood-onset growth hormone deficiency, as well as its pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic characteristics. We also examined the issues of treatment burden, poor adherence to growth hormone treatment, and how to approach missed doses of somapacitan. Studies investigating the efficacy and safety of treatment with somapacitan in adults with growth hormone deficiency have demonstrated that somapacitan had a comparable efficacy and safety profile to daily growth hormone injections. Clinical studies in adults with growth hormone deficiency suggest that there is reduced treatment burden as demonstrated by improved treatment convenience. Studies investigating the efficacy and safety of somapacitan versus daily growth hormone injections in childhood-onset growth hormone deficiency have shown no significant differences in terms of height velocity, safety, and IGF-1 standard deviation scores when compared with daily growth hormone injections. Clinical studies in pediatric growth hormone deficiency patients have suggested reduced treatment burden for both children and their parents, which has been statistically significant for parents. Reducing the treatment burden is expected to improve adherence, which is yet to be studied in real-world clinical studies. These results and those presented for adults with growth hormone deficiency suggest that treatment with somapacitan is at least similarly tolerable to daily growth hormone. IGF-1 is the biomarker used to monitor whether the dose of long-acting growth hormone needs to be adjusted or not. And studies have found that average IGF-1 standard deviation score levels, which are drawn 3 to 4 days after somapacitan injection, can guide dose titration. In terms of when to catch up on a missed dose, studies indicate that catch-up can occur up to 3 days after the scheduled dosing, which should be administered as soon as possible. Our article is a review of clinical data showing similar safety and efficacy of somapacitan to daily growth hormone in adults and children with growth hormone deficiency. We include information on administration, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic data, and advice on missed doses. We also present a summary of results for treatment satisfaction and adherence with somapacitan. I thank you for listening, and we hope you find our article informative and enjoyable to read. Thank you.